You spoke the truth, you gathered the youth, you showed the proof, you raised the light. And you were right. Hey Charlie, now it's all wrong. How could you be gone? How do we stay strong? It feels way too long. Now here's your song. Hey Charlie. Thank you for your time and your clear mind. It's now all behind sharing a gift, all the good that you left. Hey Charlie, there was one way. We promised today we won't go away. Yes, we're here to stay, and we're here to say, hey Charlie. Not gone, he didn't have long, he just carried on, and this is our song. We are all one. Hey Charlie, thought you'd be silenced, turned up the violence, but this can't deny us, it just ignited us. We will rise up, we are Charlie.